Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Abid Tech Solution. After a long time, I'm back again with a new video. You know that I always try to bring some useful videos for you. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, and thank you so much if you have already subscribed. So today I'm going to show you how to use your smartphone as an alternative of mouse and keyboard of your PC. In simple words, you can say we are turning our smartphone as a PC remote. Sometime it happened that our mouse and keyboard is not working. In that situation, this video is going to be very helpful for you. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. To turn your smartphone into a remote, you need to install a software in your PC or laptop and an app in your smartphone. Right now I'm on my PC and I'm going to install that software. I have already downloaded the software. You can see here, this is the software. But you don't worry, I will provide you the link of this software in the description box. To install this software, just double click on it and simply just install this software. When it's done, just click on finish. Now you have to open this software. Just search for remote mouse and click on it. Now the work in your PC is done. Now you have to install this software in your smartphone as well. So let's install this software. Right now I'm on my phone screen. So to install that app in your smartphone, go to Play Store and in the search bar search for remote mouse, and you need to install the first one. Just tap on it and click on install. When it's done, just open the app. Click on allow. So just want to tell you one thing, that to turn your smartphone as a PC remote, your PC and smartphone need to be connected in a same network. If your PC and your smartphone is connected in the same network, then you can see the device here. So just tap on your device and that's it. Now you can see a green portion box and some menu at the bottom. So this portion you can use as a mouse and this portion for scrolling. And if you want to type anything, just tap on the keyboard icon here and then you can write anything you want. So that's how you can turn your smartphone as a PC remote. Let me show you how it's working. Right now I'm using the mouse option. You can see on my PC that the cursor is moving. Now I have opened the browser and scrolling YouTube. You can also see that the scrolling option is also working. If you want to click, you can tap here or you can tap on the screen. If you want to write anything, just tap on here and then you can write anything you want. Right now you can see I'm writing. So that's how it's working, and I think it's working fine and it's very fast. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button, and thank you so much for watching.